bit of a different project, a quick one today. These lines and doodles and squiggles represent something that I have to put together. So I've made up a little design. This is something pretty simple. Once we get it cut out, I'll show you exactly what we're up against here. But this is just a piece of like 3/8 plywood, nothing special. Alright, so ultimately, here's what we've just created. This can strap to the tree with a bungee cord, something as primitive as that, and it basically acts as a base. Now, based on the title of this video, maybe you've figured out what's going on, but I've got a small projector, and this is prep for the Freedom 500 this Friday. So I've got a few family members and a friend coming over. There's literally a total of 4 of us, as we're currently practicing social distancing. And the intention here is to set up the projector, launch it at the front of the house, park 4 cars across the driveway, 1, 2, 3, 4, and view this pay-per-view as if it were a drive-in style movie. I'm gonna use my FM transmitter so we can hear the audio through the radio in each vehicle, and we might even have walkie-talkies between the cars just to talk if we feel like it. So I just thought that making a little outdoor shelf might not be the worst plan. Had a little bit of spare time. I'm sure most of you are practicing the same type of isolation methods and trying to keep yourselves and your family safe. So I had a little bit of time to whip this thing up, and came out not so bad. Alright, there she is, strapped to the tree. I used a ratchet strap rather than a bungee cord. Looks like it'll fit perfect. That's more than 6 feet off the ground, but I can actually adjust the height according to whatever we need. So we'll give it a whirl when it's dark and we'll see what it looks like. And then the next step is I gotta string a little bit of rope and hang the tarp from the house. It's gonna basically be the width of those 2 windows, and it'll go right over top of the vent there in the middle, but that'll be all right by me. So this should be a fun experience, at least tonight. Or, sorry, on Friday, once it's nice and dark outside. There's the primitive setup. Almost 10 feet across from window to window. So maybe right now and see what's up. Sweet.